The mysteries of dispersal, unveiled. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases to understand the term dispersal. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of this term and how to use it. Dispersal refers to the action or process of distributing things or people over a wide area. Think of it as scattering or spreading out. It can be used in different contexts, from biology to everyday scenarios. Example, after the concert, there was a dispersal of the crowd as everyone headed home. In the realm of biology, dispersal commonly describes the movement of organisms from their birth site to their breeding site or from one breeding site to another. This can be due to various reasons like searching for food or escaping from predators. Example, the dispersal of seeds by the wind ensures that plants can grow in new locations. To enhance your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for dispersal: distribution, scattering, spread, diffusion. These words can often be used interchangeably with dispersal, though the exact usage can depend on context. Let's see how we can use dispersal in a few sentences. 1. The dispersal of light through a prism creates a beautiful rainbow effect. 2. After the announcement, there was a quick dispersal of the students to their respective classes. 3. The company is looking into the dispersal of its products in new markets. Thank you for joining us today as we unraveled the meaning of dispersal. We hope this video has been enlightening and will help you in your English learning journey. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.